Number 3 is the AOSU Solar Security Camera. The AOSU Solar Security Camera is a wireless-based camera with a solar panel for easy and convenient power supply. With its 360 degrees panoramic pan-tilt zoom feature, it allows for a rapid scan of your surroundings, ensuring no detail escapes your vigilant eye. Powered by crisp 3K 5MP clarity, the camera's smart alerts and auto-tracking swiftly detect human and vehicle movement, providing instant notifications with images for a prompt threat assessment. This advanced camera seamlessly adjusts to different environments, effortlessly switching between infrared and vivid full-color night vision while automatically detecting changes in brightness. It offers enhanced protection with sound and light alarms, customizable intrusion zones and schedules, quick voice replies, and a voice changer for added security. It engages in crystal clear, echo-free conversations through noise reduction and two-way audio features, capturing every sound precisely. Setting up is effortless, with easy connectivity to stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi through Bluetooth. The AOSU Solar Security Camera seamlessly integrates with Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing for voice control and smart home integration. Share access with loved ones for collective monitoring. Its durable, waterproof, and heat-resistant design ensures reliable performance in any weather condition. Choose between free local storage, micro SD card not included, or opt for the cloud subscription for added convenience. To get this best security camera right now, click on the link in the description box below.